Congratulations po. Approve na po ito.
Oh my God! Ang bilis!
But you guys did magic. That was
Thank you,
amazing.
Lord. Good evening to you, sir.
Sorry. Good evening po.
Good evening din po. Good afternoon kay Sir Jonathan. Anyway, we're calling you today with an important update about your application. We just received an important letter from New Zealand Immigration regarding your General Visitor Visa. And congratulations po. Approve na po ito.
Oh my God! Ang bilis!
How
Talagang,
did it happen po? Bakit ang sobrang bilis? I mean, based on experience, I tried visitor's visa before and then it took me like parang 3 weeks of waiting. It's just like a day.
It was just sent last Friday. I was thinking na officially mag-review sila like Monday kasi kaka-lodge lang nung Friday eh. Like really,
Oh my God. You guys are
kinakabahan talaga ako,
amazing.
hindi lang siya obvious.
Congratulations
Oh my God.
po. We're so happy po sa application result. And we hope that you're happy, of course.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh my
Definitely.
God.
Thank you so much.
Okay, you're welcome po. Thank you rin po sa trust and sa mahabang pasensya sa process po natin dito sa SDH. So, thank you po
Yeah,
sa
you guys
patience.
are amazing. Like, oh my God, I couldn't believe. I thought it will take like weeks or something like that. But you guys did magic. That was
Thank you, Lord.
amazing.
Thank you po. Paano niyo po pala na-discover ang SDH? Paano po kayo napunta sa amin?
I've been following your page on Facebook. You guys have proven track of approvals. I think marami kayong mga good reviews. So yeah.
Meron kayong topic nun, are you guys a couple? Basta meron kayong live, parang something sort of. And then, kasi nagplano na kami ni Rob before is pagkuha kami ng visa. And then nag-live kayo noon. The topic was about LGBT couple if they have plans. And then I watch you live personally, and I feel like there's a connection. I feel like you know what you're doing. Kaya interested kami. At si Rob na yung nag-message sa group, ang nag-book agad siya ng consultation right after the live actually. Tapos yun na, like everything just happened so fast. I think it was just last February, right? February talaga. So, and then of course right now like Friday lang yung sinabi mag-lodge ng visa. So I was thinking officially Monday dapat ngayon dapat mag-start yung review. Yun yung expectation ko. Tapos nag-message ka. Tapos oh my God, nakaka-overwhelm. Like grabe yung kaba ko. Akala ko baka may missing or hindi naman siguro to decision kasi grabe agad-agad. Oh my God.
Oh, that's amazing.
Nakaka-amaze, nakaka-overwhelm, and of course grateful at the same time. Because from the process itself na very kayo keen into details, like first hand pa lang on the meeting right after the consultation, you already set us expectations, the list of the things that we need to accomplish. And with that, alam na namin yung gagawin namin from the very start. Dun pa lang sa how organized it was, from what are the basic requirements needed, action required, so you have to accomplish. So masasabi talaga namin na you have
We're
a
on the right
standard.
hand.
We are in the right hand, and you're setting a standard like before kayo magla-lodge. You really have to double check all the requirements, and we are at ease knowing na okay, it means ni-review talaga. Sabi ko, iba rin ang SDH in terms of reviewing documents.
Thank you rin po kasi napaka-cooperative po ninyo. Helpful po yun para sa amin na ma-check po ni advisor na maayos ang documents ninyo. Kasi ano rin po kayo, organize. Yun. So, mas napadali po si advisor. Satisfied naman po kayo sa service ng SDH po?
Yes, 10
Yeah,
out of
super.
10. I am
Yes, I know
super
this is just going to
overwhelmed.
be a first step kasi of course marami pa, and of course dito pa rin kami, syempre, definitely.
One thing is for sure, I'll definitely, recommend you to some people, especially for those na may mga complicated na case. because I couldn't believe that na-approve siya in just like a day or something. You just lodge it like Friday, and
Yeah.
I know they don't work over the weekend. Today is Monday, so it was approved. It's proven that you guys are doing magic. It's amazing.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir. Kamusta naman po your experience with our advisor during your consultation?
With
Yeah.
Leona, yeah, she's helpful. And of course, setting expectations as we have few questions and we things that we're not clear about with our visa, target visa, and then she recommended. That's very helpful, especially for me. I have no idea, and ayun, I'm very grateful. It was fantastic,
I mean,
and
she's amazing. I mean, first thing, she set up the expectation before, submitting our documents. And at the same time, I felt like she was not doing it for just for the business or things like that. So, parang, ano talaga, like, genuine talaga yung, ano niya, yung pag-approach niya sa amin. So, it's not just for, for business thing. So, yeah, I mean, she's amazing. Pass my regards to her and thank you so much.
Will do po. Thank you. Any message naman po sa mga kababayan natin na naghahanap po na mapagkakatiwalaan sa visa application naman po nila.
so for those who are looking for an agency that could help you with your visa processing, if you want to be at peace, at ease, and confident with your documents, I would highly recommend SDH for entrusting your visa to them. Application.
If you're looking for someone who can help you, dito na kayo sa SDH. They will definitely help you, guide you through the application process and making sure that you have everything. They just lodged your application Friday of last week. Today is Monday. So I feel like it's just a day and we got approved. So thank you so much. Quick question po,
Yes
Miss.
po.
Ilang months po yung ano niya?
You can stay up to 6 months at a time.
Oh,
Oh
wow.
my god!
That's amazing.
That's amazing.
Yep,
Okay.
and
Maraming
we will just
salamat
wait
po.
for the update. Thank you so much again
Yes po.
po.
Bye-bye po.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you
Thank
po.
you.